The Hot Climate Partnership is a really ambitious program set up as a collaborative effort between Plant and Food Research New Zealand, IRTA, Futur, and with our commercialisation experts, VentureFruit, breeding apples and pears for a warming environment.
So IRTA are a Catalonian research institute, and they are a lot like Plant and Food Research. They recognised that their apple growers were facing some really extreme challenges with producing high quality apples and pears in their extreme conditions, which are really hot summers. So about 20 years ago, we partnered together to see if we could solve that challenge through breeding.
We've got to try and bring sustainability to our primary sector. We've found that with really good genetics that are more tolerant to those conditions, we can bring in a more sustainable return for the grower, but also bring really good eating experience to the consumer as well. What we do in collaboration with the Hot Climate Partnership is bring great genetics along with that connection to commercialisation, and that really does form a strong partnership there.
So as temperatures rise, and as they have done in Catalonia, fruit texture, quality, yield are all impacted. This breeding program has one of its key objectives of producing fruit that can deal with those temperatures and provide optimal yield and output. We hope that there will be less fruit loss throughout the production chain. And so what that does is mean that resources can be used optimally moving forward.
The partnership that we've established through the Hot Climate Partnership has been really important for our science as well. So we're enabled to collaborate with an institute on the other side of the world, and we learn from one another, and we've partnered deliberately with the four partners in this program to build on the strengths of each. One of the strengths that we bring is a really long history of apple and pear breeding and a really diverse germplasm that have been brought to bear in the evaluation in Catalonia to bring forward these new varieties. It's really important to us that we're bringing back the varieties that have been developed in Catalonia, Spain, for New Zealand to enable us to trial and evaluate their performance here as well, and hopefully give us some broader options to remain resilient moving forward as well.
So we have some fantastic scientists in New Zealand, and I think this Hot Climate Partnership really highlights that collaborating with other fantastic scientists in other countries is a great way to draw on the skills and cultural strengths of both parties. Research institutes globally are looking at it as a flagship research model, a collaboration across borders that can produce things moving forward for our climate. So I think it's really starting to be a beacon out there.